So in front of me right here, I do have an HDMI switcher. So this is also known as a HDMI hub. So I would basically plug in my monitor into the output, which is right there. Now with that monitor plugged into the output, I can connect a bunch of different devices and switch seamlessly between them all. Now once all the devices are connected to the monitor, you would see a blue LED that would indicate which port you're actually using. And to switch between devices, you would push that manual button. So this box over here does support up to 1080p. It doesn't support 4K, unfortunately. Here in the manual it does say only up to 1080p. So that is the maximum. Now if you do have a 4K television, I would definitely invest in something a little bit more expensive to get that 4K clear, crisp output. Okay, so on the right side I have my media PC, and on the left side I have my laptop. Now if I want to switch seamlessly between these two devices, because I only have one HDMI port on my monitor, now because I only have one HDMI port in my monitor, and I have a bunch of devices that I keep switching back and forth, it kind of gets annoying unplugging the HDMI wire and plugging it back into my media PC and back to my laptop. So that is why I bought this HDMI hub that you see right here. Now that I have the output connected to the box there, the small box that you see me holding onto, I'm going to go ahead and plug in my two devices to the input sides. So one on the left side will be my laptop. I'm going to plug in my laptop to the one on the left, and the one on the right, I'm going to plug in my media PC. So now that I have all of the devices plugged in, I still have one empty port that I can use for an Xbox, I can use for whatever other device that I have laying around. But now I can go ahead and switch seamlessly between the devices by a push of a button. So right now my laptop is being displayed, and as you can see there is a blue LED light that signals that the left port is being used. Now if I push the button again, the right port is going to be used, which is connected to my media PC. And that is pretty much how you switch it up. Now the only thing is I do need to find a way to neaten up the wires because it is quite messy. Now I will have a link to this in the description if you are interested. It is about $6 Canadian. So far so good, works pretty well. If anything changes, I will definitely let you guys know. Now again, this doesn't support 4K, it only supports up to 1080p, so if you are purchasing this for 4K, then think again. Purchase something a little bit more expensive if you do need the 4K. Well guys, that is going to be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll catch you guys on the flip side.